Can-Am's put together some accessory packages for your Defender. The first kit comes with this front bar to protect the front of the machine. Really handy if you've got livestock. It also comes with this passenger storage bin, which goes under the passenger seat. It's fully water and dust resistant, and it's very easy to get to, yet it's right out of the way. Plus you can lift it out and take it with you. And finally, this kit comes with a center mirror, so you can always see what's behind you, which is pretty much everybody else.
Be careful what you wish for, punk.
The second kit comes with these fantastic hard half doors. They open backwards as well, which makes it really easy to jump out quickly. The kit also comes with corner protectors and the slim stylish fender flares. These help keep the water and mud off as you're going along. And the third kit comes with this great internal gun rack. This gun rack is great because the guns are right next to you and you can carry 2 guns inside the cab, keeping them well protected. And the half windscreen. The half windscreen's great. You still get good airflow, but it stops all the bugs and the dust from getting you in the face. And that's just a small selection of the accessories available for your Defender. So get into your Can-Am dealer now, grab yourself an accessory catalogue, or jump online and check out the fantastic range of accessories for your Defender right now.